In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Confluence in Jira. We'll start right from the Atlassian site, sign in, jump into a project, and then open or edit your Confluence pages from within Jira with the option to switch into the full Confluence view whenever you need it. First, open your web browser and go to atlassian.com/software Jira. This is the official Atlassian page for Jira, and it's a reliable starting point if you don't have a direct link handy. From here, log into your Jira account as you normally do. Make sure you're signing in to the same site where your team works so you'll see the right projects and content. Once you're signed in, navigate to your Jira project. You can pick it from your recent projects or search for it if you have a lot of workspaces. Inside the project, look toward the upper ribbon or top navigation for an option labeled Pages. Depending on your Jira layout or version, it may be positioned slightly differently, but it's typically easy to spot in the project navigation. If you don't see Pages, it may mean your project isn't connected to Confluence, or you might not have access. In that case, check with your administrator so they can confirm the integration is in place. Click Pages to open the knowledge content associated with your project. You'll see one or more spaces listed. A space is simply a collection of Confluence pages organized around a team or topic. Click the space that's connected to your Jira project to view its pages from right inside Jira. From here, you have two options for working with content. If you want quick in-context updates, you can edit directly by clicking the Edit button. This opens an embedded Confluence editor inside Jira, letting you make changes without leaving your project view. It's handy for small updates or when you want to stay focused on your Jira tasks. Your changes will reflect in the linked Confluence space once you publish from that editor. If you prefer the full Confluence experience, including more formatting tools and navigation, click Open in Confluence in the upper left corner. This will open the same page in the Confluence interface, usually in a new tab. It's perfect for deeper edits, exploring related pages, or using advanced features like page history and more detailed permissions. That's it. You've learned how to access pages, open the linked space, edit right within Jira, or switch to the full Confluence view when you need more power. Thanks for watching.